Let's view an example of how to use Modelsim to simulate and to compile and simulate your design. So start Modelsim. This is an Altera custom version 6.4, and we want to compile and simulate inertial example seen in the previous lesson. So we have to select our folder, change directory, and select our folder example. Okay. Now create a library work. And the work is created. Here, the work is empty. Now we have to compile, or using the menu, compile, or simply pushing the button compile. The working folder, the selected folder is vhdl course example, and we are in the selected folder with the library work already created. Now select the inertial delay and compile. Done. In the working folder we have the inertial delay with its architecture. Now the simple way to simulate is to click on the architecture, right click and simulate. As you can see on the transcript, there is the echo of the command used. This one and this one. Now we have to add the wave on the wave windows, the signal on the wave windows. So we have, in this case, A and B are as port. So add A and B, select and add to wave, selected item. Undock. And there are the two wave. Now run the simulation. Run for 20 nanoseconds. The example assign A to B after 20 nanoseconds. So let's move the signal. Select A and force the signal to value 1. Run simulation for 30 nanoseconds. And you can see that after a delay of 20 nanoseconds, B goes high. Now, if we set A using the up arrow, you can recall the last command to 0 and run for 30 nanoseconds. What happened? You can see that after 20 nanoseconds, B goes low. Now let's move A faster than 20 nanoseconds. Okay, run another 30 nanoseconds. Okay. Force A to 1 and run for 15 nanoseconds. Then force A to low and run for 50 nanoseconds. As you can see, A moves from 0 to 1 and the pulse is 15 nanoseconds. If you remember the inertial delay, 15 nanoseconds is less than 20, so B have a transaction but doesn't have an event. Let's see now how to create a script. So we have to go to the Modelsim transcript and select all. Now copy the transcript and create a new document and paste. You can remove all the comment. In this case, you can remove library, the creation of the work library, and compile, simulate, add wave, and then run. Save with, for example, .do simulation inertial delay.do. Save. And to stop the simulation, you have to write quit -sim. The simulation is stopped. Right click clear. So to run a script, you have to go to Tools, TCL, Execute Macro, and this is the script we have already created. Open the script, and that's it. You simulate the previous design using a script.